everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys the Walgreens ad preview for February 9th through February 15th. Now, there's actually some pretty decent deals. Not a lot of like point deals or like register. There are some register rewards, but there's actually some pretty good deals. I have a feeling some of the deals could be a moneymaker. If you guys see here on the bottom right hand corner, they have Almay and Revlon buy one, get one 50% off. It does say it excludes the nails. And then it says up to $15 in coupons. Plus it looks like there'll be some online coupons. I've been trying to find a site that has the preview of those coupons. I can't find it. I know somebody posted it on Instagram, I think, but I can't find it. But we are getting coupons. Now, if you guys want, I have a feeling it's going to be a good month for Almay and Revlon. I'm going to try to look at the future ads and see if I do find anything. I'm going to post a video for you guys. I did this for you guys in the future. And like that was the time where we just went nuts with that stuff. So just giving you guys a heads up. But yeah, buy one, get one 50% off. We're getting up to $15 in coupons. And then you guys get a $5 register reward when you buy two. Now, this is a great deal that you guys can pay with points. Right here they have the 10 times everyday points. So basically every dollar you spend you get 100 points. Before you only got like 10 points. So here you get 100 points for every dollar you spend. So that's how it goes. Usually you don't get points when you pay with points for that deal, but just sharing with you guys on that in case you need to build points up. They do have the Ajax laundry detergent for 99 cents. I actually saw that at my store. I think it's 99 cents all the time. So unless you guys really need it, go for it. They do have Lysol, buy one get one free. Now usually those are $3.99, so you guys would pay $4 for it. It looks like there's $1 off a 2 online coupon. You get them for like $1.50 a piece. It's up to you guys if you want to go and get them. I love the wipes, but it's up to you guys if you guys need them. Pistachios, those are always on sale, I feel like, for $6.99 with a $1 off coupon. So it's up to you. All the soda pop is 3 for $9.99, making it $3.33. Only if you guys really need that stuff. I wouldn't do it. I don't like paying more than like $2 something for a pack of pop, but it's up to you guys. Everybody is different. But it's still cheaper than if you go to the grocery store. My grocery store wants like $5 for a 12 pack. It's ridiculous. But yeah, Percel is $4.99. There's going to be a $2 off coupon, making it $2.99. An okay deal. Then this is the last page of the Walgreens ad. Now I can find these on the actual Walgreens website. They pop these up on Wednesdays. So they have Walgreens K-Cups for $2.99. I don't drink coffee, but I don't know. I think that's a pretty decent deal. The Arm & Hammer is buy one, get one free. Now I do think those are like $6.99 when they're regular price. We did have some $1 off printable coupons. It's up to you guys if you want to do it. I still don't. I wouldn't go crazy over it. The nice baggies and freezer bags, storage bags, all those kind. It doesn't say garbage bags. It just says the sandwich, freezer, or storage bags. Okay. Those are $2.79. They're buy one, get two free. Usually you pay $2.79. You get them for 93 cents a piece. That happens like every other week, you guys. I am like swimming in Ziploc baggies. That's how crazy it is. And then here's the deal for these. These are 3 for $5. There is a Walgreens coupon for the deal all month long for the king size candy bars. Now this is a great deal if you guys like to stock up on this stuff. I think it's a pretty decent price, but you guys would pay $3.50 for 3 bars of candy, but it comes out to be $1.16 a piece. I think that's an okay deal. I mean, considering how much candy is these days, it's ridiculous. Doritos, Lay's, $1.99. Now, they do have Post cereal for $1.99. There was a deal on Ibotta, but I don't think it's available. I think it ended for the Fruity Pebbles and Cocoa Pebbles. But hey, I think $1.99 could be okay. That's one brand I rarely ever get. So I think that's an okay deal if you can get some other deals stacked on with that. Next page. Now here they got some bag strips there. Buy one, get one 50% off. Plus there's going to be a buy one, get one free online coupon. So there might be a really good deal with that, you guys. Because usually we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I might have to share with you guys on that deal. Now their garbage bags are 2 for $10. I liked it when they were buy one, get one free. So I'm going to stock up next time they have the buy one, get one free. But 2 for $10. an okay deal. Now here's a really good deal with the Palmolive. They're 99 cents and there's going to be a 50-cent coupon online, you guys, making it 49 cents for the small bottle. Great, great deal. I wish you could get more of that because I like that soap. Here we got the nice brand aluminum foil. And then like some Sunshine or Smile and Save paper plates. Those are 99 cents. That sale comes on all the time. It's just an in-ad coupon. You just have the cashier scan that coupon. You can also clip it to your card. The aluminum foil is pretty decent. I mean, it's pretty much the same kind of stuff you guys can get at the Dollar Tree. So it's up to you if you would want to get that. I have enough aluminum foil that I don't need a lot. Food deals, nothing really popping out on that. A lot of these are just the same kind of deals. Like the soda is 3 for $3. It's like that all the time. DiGiorno's 2 for $10. Now I do think we just got some coupons for those. I think they're like $1. I can't remember, but they were like recently. So yeah, Pringles 3 for $4. I know they usually have them 4 for $4 sometimes with a coupon. So unless you guys need some hankering for some Pringles, I'd wait. Then they got some ice cream, 2 for $8, and it's an okay deal. I like it when we have coupons for it. Valentine's Day stuff. Here's a good deal. Not the greatest, but these Valentine's toys are 2 for $5. Now, they're usually $2.99. I just was informed I can't bring candy for Ben's school, so I don't know if I'm going to do something like that. I always like to give more just because I just like it. Like, I can get stuff so cheap, and I'd rather just give more as much as I can. So this is the way I am. Here they have gift card deals. Now I can't see what the minimum is for the Cabela's, the Bass Pro Shops, but they do have a Chili's one for $25, but it says Brinker, Chili's, Bass Pro Shop, Cabela's, Fanatics, and Spa and Wellness gift cards. So basically what you guys can do is you can buy 2 gift cards and you get a $10 Walgreens gift card. Now I recently found out that this is a regional deal. Not everybody gets this offer. So definitely check your guys' ad. If you guys see that in your ad, then you can definitely do it. If it's not in your ad, then you cannot do it. I don't know why they do that, but every ad is different. I don't know if it's by state laws or all that stuff. Who knows? Here we got the medicines. Now they still are doing this deal where you buy 2, you get a $3 registry reward. Now that registry reward is a weird registry reward. It's not like a normal one. But they do have the Robitussin, Dime Tap, and Advil for $5.99. We are getting $3 off coupons. It says it right there, but when I looked on the ad preview, it doesn't show it, so I don't know what's going on. But if we get $3 off coupons, you guys want to buy 3 of them, you would pay $5.98. You get that $3 register reward, making it to be $2.98. Most likely, there's going to be a savings star deal, so you guys definitely want to go ahead and do that. And most likely it could be a free or a moneymaker. So I might have to do that in a second haul because I know I won't get those coupons in my inserts that I get on Sundays. A lot of medicines, buy one, get one free, buy one, get one 50% off. The hauls are 2 for $5. We did get a $1.25 off a 2 coupon. If you guys need to use that. Other than that, more medicines. If you're hearing what that noise is in the background, it's Miss Charlotte. Okay, so now we're going to get to the personal care products. Now they do have Crest toothpaste and Crest toothbrushes for $3.99. When you buy 2, you get a $4 register reward. Most likely there's going to be a digital coupon that pops up. The coupons that we have now for the P&G will be expiring, so it's up to you guys if you need to do that deal. They do have it where if you spend 10 of Colgate, you get 5,000 points. Now we just did get some coupons in our inserts for $1 off. I think there's going to be a $1 off coupon also in the inserts. And then we also have some printable coupons. So it's up to you guys if you can find some good deals. Here's some stuff for buy one, get one 50% off. I know there was an $8 off coupon. If you guys need that, go for it. L'Oreal Elite L5, sorry, is 2 for $8. We do have a 2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. Plus, we are getting 4 off of 2 inserts, making them 2 for $2, making them $1 a piece. The Garnier Fructis is still buy one, get one 50% off, but those coupons do expire this Saturday, so we will not be able to use that coupon. The Whole Blends, it looks like we are getting a 4 off of 2 coupon, making them $1.50 a piece. Okay deal. I wouldn't recommend it, but it's up to you guys. You know, I'm brand loyal to certain things, and everybody else is brand loyal. They got Skintimate, $2.99. You get 3,000 points when you spend $15 or more. Arm & Hammer, 99 cents. The Secret and Old Spice is buy one, get one 50% off. If you guys spend $25, you will get 5,000 points. Ooh. But the Axe, the Dove, and I don't know what brand that is, they are buy one, get one 50% off. You get 3,000 points when you guys buy two. So there could be some good deals with that. Now here we got this stuff we don't care about, but this stuff we do. We do have some dollar off coupons in the Rimmel. Those are buy one, get one 50% off. They do have it where if you buy Sally Henson, you get 4,000 points when you spend $12 or more. More makeup deals. I just found out that my store now carries Physicians Formula. They never did, and now they finally do. So, Dial soap, 2 for $5. Baby wipes, buy one, get one 50% off. Nothing really popping up here. Here, if you guys spend $25 or more, you get 5,000 points. So, yes. And then this is the final layout for the ad. This is if you guys spend $25 or more, you'll get 5,000 points. It's all the stuff that's in the blue. So there are some deals with Crest. There's some deal with razors, Head and Shoulders, Pantene hair care. So we could see if we could find any digitals. If I can figure out somehow to do something like that. That's a deal where you do not want to pay with points to do that deal. So just want to give you guys a heads up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all Sunday for my Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.